Okay, here's the starting of the Lego layout. I gotta clear all this off and start a track plan. I always just lay track. I never follow a plan. I just lay track and see what happens. That's how I did all my layouts. Okay, I cleared it all out. I gotta do something about that ugly block. So I got something to take care of that. Giving it some paint, touching it up. And some blue sky. Okay, I'm done painting. I painted these uprights to blend in with the gray tile. Pinned that up there. I glued my poster board on. It got a little wrinkly. The glue behind it made it wrinkly. And I just did some clouds. I took some white paint, put it in this bowl, and I took this sponge, dipped it in there like that, and I just went to the wall, bam, 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 made clouds. All right, now for the fun part, laying track, see what I can come up with. So far I've been playing with track. I think I'm gonna separate the road crossing from there, because from the station, put the station there so it fits better. And then I'm gonna have the bridge over here, and I gotta put in a little extension here. I have to clamp on some wood or something here and connect the bridge. So we'll continue. We'll get it going. Okay, I finally devised a plan. I got the bridge working. I had to do a little extension here because of the radius. So I put on a little extension here, and it goes across the bridge, and I can't fit my station in nowhere. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a switch here and have the switch come out and into the station. And I'll have a little dead end switch and a little extra activity for the train. So we'll have a siding. He'll have to go into a siding to get his passengers. Either that or get rid of the passenger station. I can't do that. And I'll figure out the road crossing. I have more road plates upstairs. And I'll get the rest of my Lego people in here. So here's the beginning of the Lego layout. Right over top of the Coverdale mine. Oh yeah, I'm gonna curve this. I'm gonna go out right now and cut that and curve that off. Okay, here's what we got so far. I'm gonna try to get a switch put in here for the station. We'll see if that works or not. Then I'll finish this off. But back here, got some Lego laying going on. Horse riding. Dog training, little farm, tree removal. I love the Lego bridge. Hey, my YouTube friends, we got a little addition for the Lego layout. I'm not going to be a Lego guy, but I'm going to be a little bit of a Lego guy. I'm still going to be an O-scale guy. Love them both. I just think Lego's fun. So I wish I had more room, but we got what we got. So this I just got. I'm going to try to put the switches in there to come out to the station and then back on. We'll see if that works, because the way I have the loop, the station won't fit between the wall and the track. So we're gonna try, we'll try putting these switches in. So hopefully that works. All right, Aaron, give a thumbs up. Tell everyone to give us a thumbs up. And give me a fist bump. Boom. Thanks for watching. Okay, I rearranged Legoland. I got the switch in. So now we have a siding going to the station. That way he can come around, go on the behind the station on the main line. Through the farm area. Across the bridge. And we can bring them up on the main. Clear the switch. And we can back them right up into the station. There we go. Now he can load up his passengers. Adds a little interest. After he's done loading his passengers, go back out onto the main. Aaron's having a nap, so I just unboxed this. So we got Lego trees, flowers, and bushes. I thought it was from Lego, but it's from this company here. But they are Lego parts, and there's some Lego animals. And I got some lights for under. LED lights, rechargeable lights for under the light up Lego and light up the Coverdale Mine. There's two of them. So here we got little tree elements, Christmas trees. Looks like little animals are in there. Dog and a cat. And little Lego flowers and such. So we got Lego trees and bushes. Rechargeable lights, so I'm giving this one his first charge. So pretty cool. Cool. We got, I think it was a good deal. We got all kind of grass elements, all kind of pieces. We got a minifigure. Looks like a doctor or something. We got little trees. Here's a doggy. There's a bunch of dogs in here, a whole bunch of dogs. Kitty cat. White dog. See if there's anything else. So that's cool. Okay, my chargeable light's green, so that means it's ready. So let's install it. Okay, they're on magnets. I stuck it right there. There There we go. That lights it up nice. I like it. Okay, I put a tree or two in there just to see what they would look like. Look pretty good. Lego trees. So thanks for watching me do the little Lego layout. It was fun. It can constantly change. And hey, subscribe, smash the like, and stay tuned for the next adventure on the Coverdale Mine. Next train adventure. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get you one more shot coming across the bridge.